Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading Satellite Office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Thursday, January the 10th, 2013, and here is today's midday market update brought to you by WallStreetTrading.com. I want to first start by taking a look to see how the indices are trading right now. We have the Dow Jones up 24.5 points. We have the comp up a little under a point here, currently down 0.84. We have the Russell down a little over, down 2 points and a quarter. We have the S&P up just about 4 points here, close to 4 points. Taking a look at the commodity sector. Commodity sector's up pretty strong. GLD's up $2. GDX up 99 cents here, $1 now. JJC copper up 34 cents, and then we have SLV holding that key 29 level up 48 cents at 29.83 right now. Taking a look at the market right here for some stocks that we have going off. On the radar. I'm sorry, what we have going on with the ES here. You can see the ES was in this nice little upward channel on the 5-minute going into the open here. You can see we try to pop up a little bit on the open. They sold us down. Once we broke 1461, got some more sellers involved. And once we broke below 1460, this is a little uptrend. We got some more sellers involved all the way down to 1455, which provided a good scalp opportunity. At the same time, you can see here on the 15-minute chart, we're back inside the little range that we were trading in. All right, you can see here we broke above that range here overnight. Right here, not overnight. Well, this morning at 7:30, and then we faded right back down that range. So until we get back above 1460, you got to remain cautious in this market, think that we could go back high. We need to get back above 1460, stabilize a little bit here in the afternoon, and see if we can push up back towards that 1463.50 opening price on the ES. For some of you guys that are at for some of you guys that trade the ETFs, the SPY, you can see here the SPY opened up at 146.73, faded back, broke right back below previous day's highs, and just about basically got a nice buying opportunity right here against the previous day's close, and also against this rising 50-day exponential moving average on the 15-minute time frame. Taking a look at the IWM here, the IWM sitting right on top of this key trend line, this key horizontal price support right here at the 89 level here. So as long as this IWM could hold 89, we could possibly see a little bounce back up towards the top side. But 87. 87 is the key level to watch on the IWM. Taking a look at the triple Qs gapped up 67.21, faded all the way down here to 66.55, where we got a bounce off the previous days. We got a nice little bounce off the previous day's lows. And right now it's currently chopping around the negative to positive line, the previous day's close. All right, so we'll see how this thing sets up. As far as some stock ideas that we're watching this morning, MCP, watch this one to the short side. Some of the guys in the chat room caught this. If you have not been to our chat room yet, you can log in via mywallstreettv.com. Type in the password SMART, SMART, and you should be able to access the chat room. Got a lot of good stuff going on in there, so make sure you go check it out. MCP, we were looking for a short of a rally. Could bounce in the open. We were looking for a short of a rally to short it. That thing just started selling off again right on the open. CRUS, we were looking for a pullback towards 32. That level failed. We were looking for a pullback back towards 31.50. That level failed. The last level that we were looking for a pullback was down towards 30.75. The previous day's high, was it 30.75? Let me see here. Previous day's highs basically were the level that we were looking for to get involved in. Down there, 30.75, the previous day's highs, and you can see that trade worked out pretty well, back up towards 31.40. Going into the afternoon session, I really don't see much happening. I mean, the selling pressure that we have today is not heavy at all. If you ask me, possibly just looks like some profit taken near the top of the range, a little fake breakout, and it seems like we need to build a little bit more of a higher base up here before we try to break out the little range that we've been watching on the SPY and the daily charts. It seems like we're not ready to go yet. They try to make us ready to go today, but they pulled us right back in. So if the ES could get back above 1461 or so, look for this thing to go back up towards 1463. If we continue to hold below 1461, possibly look for a lower high to be put in and a roll back down towards the lows. Okay. Some strong stocks on the board. Goldman Sachs is strong. Baidu is strong. Potash is about to break over the opening price right now. Mosaic's going back up towards the highs. These agricultural stocks are still in play. ABX, the gold miners are looking good. ABX holding above 46 looks good. Sorry, not ABX. Newmont Mining holding above 46 looks good. APC, nice little engulfing candle on the 15-minute chart right here as I do this video. And that's about it, guys. We'll see what stuff we have going on in the chat room, and we'll go from there. Have a great day, And I'll catch you guys after the close for the after the bell market summary brought to you by WallStreetTrading.com.